What's going on, guys? Tonight, I want to talk about Surging Sparks and all the madness that's going on in the hobby. It's going to be a pretty short video. There's not much to say. There's a million videos on YouTube about Surging Sparks, but I want to add my take. So, for starters, all Surging Spark products are sold out on the Pokemon Center website. Uh, I can't remember if this has happened before. I don't remember ever hearing about a set completely selling out on the Pokemon Center before it even releases, like for pre-orders. I remember there was a short period where Paradox Rift had been sold out on the Pokemon Center website, and a couple of Scarlet Violet sets just went out of stock on the Pokemon Center website. But eventually, they all came back. Now, I bring that up for two reasons. The first reason is that they came back to stock. Uh, from what I understand, they weren't reprinted. Booster boxes and products weren't reprinted that I heard of, and they did come back in stock on the Pokemon Center website. Now, this is a little different because that happened after Paradox Rift had already been released. You see all the videos and the comments and in YouTube videos and in Reddit threads about how everybody's ordering a million cases. I don't know if this is all driven by YouTube investing videos. I don't think so. You would need a lot of money to buy out the Pokemon Center. Like one, the top 10 Pokemon investor YouTubers, if all of their members decided to go onto the Pokemon Center website and buy the max limit, that probably wouldn't sell out the Pokemon Center website. So, you know, are they only releasing so many booster boxes initially? Like, is there only are they implementing a wave system? Like, maybe there's only so much coming out. Maybe it was just short printed. I don't know. I don't know any of this stuff. What I do know is that these boxes are already selling for like 145, and they don't come out for like another week. What's today's date? It's November 1st. Okay. It's November 1st. They come out. It comes out November 8th. So I guess that means I should have a case showing up within this next week. I'll show everybody the case I got. Um, Not too concerned about opening it up to make sure it's in there. I know who I'm getting it from. But anyways, that's not the point. The main reason that I really wanted to make a video on this is because, as usual, small YouTuber, small little side hustle with Pokemon. And this is the first time I've come into a situation like this. I only ordered one case of booster boxes for Surging Spark. I order my cases because I just want to hold them, put them aside, forget about them, sell them, and down the line. It's really that simple. That's really all the investing side of Pokemon is. It's the Pokemon investing is interesting, but there's really not much to do. You just kind of buy and leave it, buy and leave it. However, for the first time since I've started just buying and holding booster boxes, this case is like almost doubled in price since I purchased it. I paid, what is it? I believe it's, let me double check let me see, 546.06 plus shipping for my case. I could sell it right now for like 950. They're selling for like 950. It's a lot of money. I've never been in a position where I can sell something. Well, one time with technically with the with 151 ETBs. Those I sold for a profit like as soon as they landed at my door. But that's not what I like to do with booster boxes. I like to hold. I like to just hold. But for the first time, I could just make like a $300-400 flip as soon as I receive the product. Here's the catch. What if these booster boxes just never go down, like Twilight Masquerade? Twilight Masquerade booster boxes just keep going up. What happens? What if I sell these? What if I sell this case, make a quick I don't want to say measly, but in the grand scheme of buying and holding a booster case, $300 really is, it's just a couple of measly bucks. So do I treat this like a quick flip? Do I just take the profit and put it in my pocket? Or do I stick to the game plan and just, when I receive it, throw it in a cabinet and forget about it? Forget I even ever purchased it. I really don't know what to do. Um, I would honestly like some opinions. If I don't know what to do, truthfully. I don't know if I want to just make a quick buck and move on, or if I really just want to stick to my guns and just hold. I'm probably just gonna hold. Realistically, I'm probably just gonna hold because I don't know if the booster box prices are gonna come down, and even if they do, they're not gonna be cheaper than. Sorry for the mic. They're not gonna be cheaper than what I just paid for them. So I know that. So, it's just something to think about. I got a week to figure out what I want to do because usually when the program that I'm in, I will say, even though I'm on the other side of the country, they kind of get here like the day of release. So that's pretty good. I'm not worried about when it's going to show up. I'm just worried about what I'm going to do with it when it does show up. Honestly, I would love some opinions. Let me know. Do I make a quick flip or do I just hold them, tuck them away? And go about business trying to buy and sell singles and just make the quick short money that way. That's kind of just where I'm at anyways. It's just buying and holding and some small flips here and there. That's really all I do. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Are you excited for Surging Sparks? The cards are beautiful. I do understand some of the hype. I don't understand why everything is sold out. Truthfully, that's kind of crazy because as nice as the cards are, I don't know how you could really just look at some pictures online and I just don't know why people would think this set is so much better than the other whatever amount of sets that came out during Scarlet Violet. Why is this one just blowing up right from the start? Very interesting, just things to think about, you know, I don't know. Little tangent there, but those are my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you enjoy my videos, say hello. I like to know if you watch all my videos or if you watch some of my videos. You've been watching me for a while. Let me know. Very curious. Say hello. Whatever. Goodbye. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.